Four Sadc mission soldiers in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Sami DRC, died while three others sustained injuries in the eastern DRC. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The soldiers, all hailing from Tanzania, were killed when a hostile mortar round landed near their camp. Additionally, a South African soldier passed away while receiving medical treatment for health-related complications at a hospital in Goma, DRC. The Sadc mission in the DRC is part of a regional response aimed at addressing the escalating security challenges in the eastern region of the country. In a statement, the regional body extended condolences to the bereaved families and the governments of South Africa and Tanzania and wished a swift recovery for the injured soldiers. This is today's news about 4 soldiers killed, 3 injured in Sadc mission in the DRC. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.